Well, good morning. Welcome to Financial Freedom Show. I'm S Sudheer. Mr. Jamil has posted a question on the Financial Freedom app. He says, I'm planning to quit my job. How do I prepare myself so that I don't have any challenges after leaving this job? In fact, many people, when they plan to leave their job, they plan to move out of their job, they kind of just don't prepare. They leave out of their ego or lot of half information they have got, and they make these decisions, and then eventually they suffer. That should not happen to you. I want you to consider a few of these things which I'm going to share with you today, so you'll be able to make right decisions while changing your job. Number one, even before you decide to leave your job, I want you to assess your financial position, whether you have sufficient emergency fund in the bank for the next 6 months. In case if you don't have it, then I think you should reconsider your decision, because if you don't have emergency fund to meet your expenses for the next 6 months and suddenly you leave your job and the other company where you are about to join, if they cancel the offer, or if they postpone the joining, or if that company turn out to be not so good company, if they don't pay you on time, then you will be in trouble. I want you to be very cautious about it. So even before you take up the job, I want you to consider this. And also ensure that you have cleared your liabilities. In case if you have got too many outstanding loans, please ensure that you clear these things, especially those who leave the job without having another job in hand. Many people change the job, or they think of switching the job just because they want to take up entrepreneurial stint, because they think it's good to start on their own. Absolutely fine, but remember, entrepreneurship doesn't guarantee you success always, right? The chances of failure is very high. So in case if it doesn't go as per your plan, what do? Who's going to take care of your family? How are you going to manage your liabilities? Have you taken care of all these aspects? Have you made enough money? Have you kept enough money in the bank to meet all these obligations? That's something very important. Also, I want you to think of plan B. I'm sure you have a plan A, that can be an offer letter from a company or your business idea and things like that. But then what if it doesn't work out? You should have plan B. Do you have a plan B? That can be another job offer, or probably a part-time job, or a secondary income source that's like rental income or any other part-time business ventures. These things will definitely help you. That's something which you need to be very cautious about. And the most important one is you should be frugal during this period. In case if you have decided to change your job, be frugal, cut down your expenses, or you'll be able to accumulate more money to meet those unexpected expenditures post leaving this job. So that's important that you are frugal, you reduce your expenses so that you'll be able to save more and accumulate money for everything else. This is something which many people don't do. So please take care of that aspect as well. This is why on Financial Freedom app, we have designed this unique course called Financial Freedom course. Here get to learn about how to earn more money, how to save enough, how to spend less, how to invest wisely, how to borrow consciously. These are things you get to learn. See, the problem in today's world is people may invite you for a party to celebrate their new car. People may invite you to celebrate their new house. People may gift you, people may invite you to celebrate their new business, but they won't tell you the secrets of how they made money to build all these things. This is something you'll have to learn so that you'll be able to replicate that success. To make that happen on Financial Freedom app, we have about 75 courses on personal finance, career, business, farming, and life skills. I want you to watch these courses. And for Republic TV viewers, we have an amazing offer. If you download Financial Freedom app or from Play Store, App Store, and if you enter the referral code Freedom Show today, you will get ₹2,000 scholarship to watch all these courses on Financial Freedom app. So please make use of this. And also, if you have any questions related to any of these topics, please post your questions on the Financial Freedom app. I will answer your questions in my next episode. Thanks for watching. Be wise, get rich.